Comfee dishwashers have become increasingly popular in recent years. These appliances are manufactured by the Medea Group, a leading home appliance company. Modern Comfee dishwashers, especially the 2024 and 2025 models, feature sophisticated diagnostic systems with enhanced error detection capabilities. While these systems help identify problems quickly, they can sometimes become overly sensitive, requiring user-initiated resets. When your Comfee dishwasher encounters issues, performing a reset can resolve many common problems. There are three main types of resets you can perform, each designed for different situations. The soft reset, also called a power cycle, is the most common and effective method. You simply turn off the dishwasher, unplug it from the electrical outlet for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This method resolves 60 to 70% of minor operational issues. The control panel reset involves pressing specific button combinations on your dishwasher's control panel. Most commonly, you hold the Start/Pause button for 3 to 5 seconds. Some models require holding both Start and Heated Dry buttons simultaneously. A factory reset is the most comprehensive option. It's accessed through specific button combinations that vary by model, typically involving holding multiple buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This completely clears all custom settings and error codes, returning the dishwasher to its original state. Comfee dishwashers display specific error codes when problems occur. The most common codes that may require a reset include E1 and E2 for water supply issues, E3 for drainage problems, E4 for water temperature sensor malfunctions, E5 for water level sensor errors, and E6 for door latch problems. Different Comfee dishwasher models require specific reset procedures. We'll walk through the exact steps for each major series, starting with the most common models. For CDW6E5 series models from 2023 to 2025, follow this 5-step reset procedure. These are the most common Comfee dishwashers currently in use. Step 1. Cancel the current cycle by pressing and holding the Start/Pause button for exactly 3 seconds. You'll see the display change when the cycle is canceled. Step 2. Open the dishwasher door slightly to interrupt the cycle completely. This ensures the reset process can begin properly. Step 3. Press the power button to turn off the dishwasher completely. Make sure all lights on the display turn off. Step 4. Wait exactly 60 seconds. This waiting period is crucial for the internal systems to fully reset. Don't rush this step. Step 5. Close the door completely and restart the dishwasher. Select your desired cycle and the reset should be complete. Now let's look at the reset procedure for compact models in the CDW4E3 series. These smaller dishwashers have a different button combination. For compact models, hold both the Delay Start and Extra Dry buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. You'll see all the lights flash once when the reset begins. When all lights flash once, press the power button to complete the reset. The dishwasher will return to its default settings. Built-in models like the CDW8E7 series require a different approach involving the circuit breaker. This method is more thorough, but takes longer. First, turn off the dishwasher at the control panel. Then, locate your home's circuit breaker panel and find the breaker for the dishwasher. Turn off the circuit breaker for exactly 2 minutes. This completely cuts power to the dishwasher and allows for a deep reset of all systems. Restore power by turning the circuit breaker back on, then run an empty cycle with dishwasher cleaner to complete the reset process. Now let's address a common issue, the E4 error code. This indicates a water temperature problem and requires specific troubleshooting steps. For E4 errors, unplug the dishwasher for exactly 10 minutes, not less. This allows the temperature sensors to fully reset. Check that your water heater is set to at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The dishwasher needs hot water to function properly and avoid temperature errors. Run a rinse cycle before returning to normal operation. This helps the sensors recalibrate to the proper water temperature. If reset procedures fail after 3 attempts, or if error codes persist after a factory reset, it's time to contact Comfee customer service for professional assistance.